YouTube, what's up? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Today in this video, I got a very special review. I'm really procrastinating for a reason because you guys are gonna be like, dang, 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 and I'm gonna be like, whoa, 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 and then you guys are gonna be like, oh, 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 and then I'm gonna be like, you know what? That's dope. And then you're gonna be like, oh wow, I should go out and get that. And I'm gonna be like, yeah, you should. Like, really. Like, seriously, you should. So, but anyway, you guys, I just got something in the mail. I just got something that I thought wouldn't be in the mail. I thought wouldn't be in the mail, Ooh, you like my whole new edition? You like the whole new edition move on slide? Ooh. I know y'all feeling out. Slide. Ooh, I got something in the mail. Y'all. This is just how I feel when I get something in the mail, so don't judge me, okay? All right. All right, YouTube, enough joking around. I got something in the mail from Monsoon, all right? Monsoon Cap. Actually, his name is CJ, and I don't know why I find all reasons to joke all the time, but I got something in the mail, you guys, and it's do-rags, all right? A bunch of do-rags, all right? Look at this one, okay? Let's take a look at these do-rags one by one. It's going down, okay? I don't know what type of print this is, but the print sure look good. Let's be honest. Next, you got the black one, all right, with the Monsoon logo right here. I'm gonna take these out of the bag, but this is my initial, you know, first look at them. So we're gonna just take a look in as it is in the bag. So right here, another one. Then you got this one right here. Ooh, this one right here is clean. Got the blue with the is that gray? Oh yeah, that's clean. This one's clean. But the ones that I'm most excited about, you guys, are these right here. All right, these are the do-rags. What you guys seen before was the wave caps, but this right here is the do-rags. We got another one with the turquoise feel to it though. Look at the ooh. You know I gotta hype it. So you guys don't know I'm going live right now on ES. So let me show you guys though. I am going live on ES so you guys can understand, like, this is real serious. Like, ES, say what's up. I'm live right here. So you guys, you know, follow ES Elite Spins on Facebook. Say what's up. I'm giving y'all time right now, okay? I'm really giving y'all time, and what y'all need to do is respect my time, so say something, okay? But you guys, I'm about to show you guys what they really look like outside of the bag, and I'm about to show you what it look like on my head, all right? I'll take my do-rag off in a minute, show you guys how I'm spinning, you know what I mean? My 90s little, let's go. All right, YouTube, now it's time to put the do-rag on to show you what it looked like. This one basically has like a breathable hose. I'm taking that you might use this one for when you're working out. This one is real tight, stretchable, feels good on the head. Waves ain't going nowhere. Pretty sure to all my big head people out there, this fit your head too. You see all this room right here? This is extra room right here, all right? So y'all big head people, y'all could fit these too. My head ain't that big. I mean, my head may appear to be like bigger than what you think, but my head is actually small. So all my big headed people out there, have no fear, okay? Monsoon taking care of all y'all. Now this one right here, this is that silky one. I don't know if you guys seen it underneath. You guys seen it when I flipped it and showed you guys in the B-roll, but this one right here is the silky one. It's tight, fits nice to my head. It ain't like these wave caps are like weirdly shaped. They shape nice, hug everything pretty good. But this one right here is the silky one. This one's nice. This one right here is pretty tight. Like I said, to all my big head people, I don't know. Now, I don't know if you're gonna fit this one. If you got a size 8 hat, if you wear a size 8, I don't know. This one fits pretty tight, but they do stretch. All right, they do stretch. This is a dope pattern. I like the color, and I need you guys to check this out. Listen, boom, Air Force 270s. You know what I'm saying? If you guys ain't got these, you need to really just go on footlocker.com and make these sell out. All right, look at the do-rag and look at the shoe. You tell me. All right, you tell me. Look at the do-rag, okay? And then you look at the shoe, you tell me. All right, these shoes are dope. Wave caps is fire. Lego. Now this wave cap is bigger, as you guys can see. For all my big head people, I keep saying that. I ain't dissing y'all. But this one actually goes all the way down to my ears. This one will go all the way down to the neck. For the people that have problems getting their waves to come all the way down here, this is definitely the perfect do-rag. Still got some room up here. This size right here is pretty big. If you guys thought that I had a big head, no, I got a small one. Okay, I'm gonna keep addressing that. You guys can actually see how, if I keep pulling it down, that's how it's pretty big. So I can actually flip this over one more time and it'll fit me perfect. So if you do decide to pick this one up, just know you can make it fit. Now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the do-rags. Now, I really like these do-rags for the simple fact that on the inside, it's really silky. Like that inside material, you guys can see that. That inside material is no joke. Stretchy, feels good. We got the wide band right here. Everybody know that wide band make a difference because it won't leave that harsh line on your forehead. So these do-rags is pretty clean. All right, same thing with this do-rag right here. Silky on the inside. It's basically just a different color. Wide bands, the logo is up top this time. Dope do-rag, he killing the game out here. It's real serious. Monsoon Caps, if you guys don't know where you can get it from, you guys need to check out the link in the description, cjmonsoon.com, and it'll be right here on the screen, okay? Somewhere right here, right, all in the screen. You could just see that, you know, as well in the description. You could click the description and it'll take you right there. But if you guys are like not having access to click on that, you guys could just write it down. It's right here, okay? You write it down, do something, okay? Write it in the notes, take a screenshot, do what you gotta do, because it's right here. All right, you guys, now that we got the review out of the way, it's time to do what we came here to do. Get a good session in. Let's go. YouTube? This is the Monsoon Cap review. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and make sure that you hit that notification button to where you're notified when I upload a video. But as I end this video, I gotta somehow get my hands disconnected from all these do-rags because I don't know what's going on. So yeah.